The basics of a healthy lifestyle. What are some of the other basics of a healthy lifestyle? Well, eating a healthy, balanced diet keeps you feeling your best. It can help you recover after an illness. In general, a healthy, balanced diet includes plenty of fruits and vegetables. Starchy foods like bread, rice, or potatoes. Protein, such as meat, fish, dairy, or pulse healthy fats, such as from olive oil, oily fish, or nuts. Having a drink can be one of life's pleasures, but as you age, your ability to process alcohol changes. Over-drinking alcohol can affect your health and relationships. So, drink responsibly. Regular activity is good for your overall health. It can also help prevent falls, boost your energy, help you sleep better, and improve your mood. You don't need to be sporty to move your body every day. There are lots of exercises you can try and many everyday things that can get you moving to your feet. Try to find activities you enjoy and make sure you include some exercises for your flexibility, strength, and balance. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.